Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 24, we will study the Kubernetes cluster installation. So here let us look at this slide. We will introduce the installation process of the Kubernetes cluster installation here. Okay, so first we should prepare for three hosts in advance, and then we should install the container service such as the container runtime such as the Docker in these three servers, and install the Kubernetes. In the last lesson, we can consider the Kubernetes as the factory manager. It is responsible for monitor the container such as start, stop, restart the container. So we should install the Kubernetes and install the kubectl. It's a client terminal because we issue all the Kubernetes commands through the kubectl client, and we can then we install the kube-adm. The kube-adm is responsible for the cluster installation, such as we can use the kube-admin init to assign this node as the master node. So if we run this command, the kube-adm will install the master component such as the scheduler, kube proxy, API server, and etcd and controller manager. So the kube-admin init will initiate this this node as the master node. Okay, then we can use the install the kube-adm in other nodes, and then we can use this kube-admin join to join this node as the workload. Okay, here also we can then if the workload is join this node into the cluster, and the kube proxy is also installed. It provides the network access, and also in this workload, we can also use the same process kube-admin join to join this node as the workload, and the kube proxy is also installed. Okay, here, so then because we installed the kubectl, so we can use the kubectl get loads to show all the installed loads, including the master load and the workloads. So the Kubernetes and the Docker component must be installed, and also include these such as the proxy, and the manager component must be installed. The kube-adm you can remove it. Okay, here this is the Kubernetes cluster installation process. So that's all. Thank you.